How to make a budget revision using the budget revision tool. In front of you is a sample budget with 6 different sections. Starting from the top, we have salary and fringe, contractual services, travel, supplies, other, indirect costs, and we have the total budget. The budget total can also be found at the very top of the budget. When making revisions, you should only make changes in columns A through H. In this example, we're going to increase or add $4,000 to the financial consultant's salary. It will change from $8,000 to $12,000. We're going to change the time frame, end date, from October 2024 to January 2025. We will subtract the $4,000 from the executive director's salary and then check to see if the changes are more than 10% of either of the line items that were changed. And finally, we will add the revision date. To do this, we'll go to the financial consultant line in the total column, which is column H, and click and type in $12,000. Hit enter. You can see in green that $4,000 has been added to the financial consultant's fee. Then go into the description section, do a strike through of October 2024, and add in January 2025. Then go up to salary and fringe to the executive director's line, click in the box that's of salary charged to the grant, and change that number to $28,000 and hit enter. You can see in red that $4,000 has been removed or subtracted from the executive director's salary that is charged to the grant. We will go down and check to make sure the budget remains the same, and it does. All budget revisions of 10% or more must be approved by your grant manager. If you look in column K, you can see that the change in the executive director's salary is 6.3%. And if you look at the financial consultant's change, you can see that that change is 18.2%, which is more than 10%. So in this case, you must request a budget revision and get approval from your grant manager. Your grant manager will get back to you if there are questions or send you your new budget with an approval. And that is how you do a budget revision using the budget revision tool.